Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create navigation bar in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Canva, click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, creating a navigation bar in Canva can be a practical and efficient way to design a visually appealing and functional element for your website, presentation, or digital project. The first thing you need to do when you are here on the Canva platform, you might want to click on the websites, because from here you can look for a template, right? A portfolio website, event website, and a lot more. But for now, we are going to build your own presence by creating a blank website, all right? Or a blank template. Now from here, I'm going to add more elements. So we are going to make a dynamic navigation bar at the end of this website template. Now, the element has been added, and if you are working on a larger design project in Canva, such as website mockup or presentation, incorporating a navigation bar directly within Canva ensures consistency and coherence across your designs. Now from here, you have the option to preview the website template. Just give it a little minute. That's for the desktop or laptop preview. All right, this is going to be your navigation bar. Now if you try to switch on the mobile view, click on it, and that's a preview of your navigation bar here in Canva. And once you are happy with that, after doing all of it, you have an option to duplicate the page. You can delete it by pressing the delete option here. You can also add a blank page if you want it, delete that if you don't like it, and you can lock the page if you are collaborating with people so they don't have a chance to mess it up. All right. You also have an option to add notes if you're collaborating with a freelancer, a partner, or a team. Now, once you're happy with that, all you have to do is when you click on the publish website, you are going to be given two options, right? As you can see, you can have an option to resize on mobile, and also an option to include a navigation menu, which is going to be your navigation bar. All right. And once you're happy with that, just click on the include navigation menu and you will be creating your first navigation bar here in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.